Dementia refers to a number of illnesses, so it is better understood as an umbrella term meaning progressive conditions that develop as a result of degenerative changes in the brain. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia. Dementia primarily affects older people and is characterized by the loss of cognitive, social, and behavioral functions that impacts a person's mood and personality and the ability to speak, understand, think rationally, communicate, remember, and perform basic self-care activities like dressing, eating, and bathing. As dementia progresses, the associated behavioral and functional disabilities requires increased daily assistance and care to individuals. Alzheimer's Disease International estimated that 46.8 million people worldwide were living with dementia in 2015. As the world's population ages, the number of people with dementia nearly doubles every 20 years, so that it is projected that it will reach 74.7 million in 2030 and 131.5 million in 2050. Although dementia mainly affects older people, it is not a normal part of aging. Alzheimer's disease and other dementias have a huge impact on the people with the diseases and their families. Many feel marginalized and isolated and lose their friends or might be misunderstood by their family members. There are two types of dementia-related stigma. One is external, that is stigma towards the person, and the other is internal, where the person feels shame about themselves. Perhaps related to both of these, older persons with dementia are particularly vulnerable to violence. The prevalence of abuse of older people with dementia is identified mainly through caregiver reports, usually from the primary caregivers themselves. Caregivers often do not see themselves as abusers, but rather as victims because they are trying to handle difficult circumstances and situations as best as they can. Dementia itself is not necessarily a risk factor for abuse, but the secondary symptoms of dementia, such as aggression, are particularly challenging for caregivers.